Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 9 different reasons that why you should apply for Erasmus Mundus scholarship, and you should just stop thinking, stop procrastinating, and take the practical step towards filling the applications and applying for it. So I will share with you the 9 different benefits that this scholarship has and many of the other scholarship doesn't have. But before going into this video, let me share with you the criteria that will make you eligible to apply for this scholarship. And the criteria is pretty simple. So what you need to have is just 16 years of your education. And that means that if you are in the last year of your bachelor's degree before you start your master, then you can still apply. So that means if I am in the final year of my bachelor degree, I can apply because my scholarship will start from next year. Until then, I will have my 16 years of education. And if you are graduated already, so that's not a problem, you can apply still. And if you have started your master's program and you are in the second year of your master program, you can still apply for the second degree in masters under the your Erasmus Mundus scholarship. But if you are in the first year of your masters, that means then either you will have to leave your master or you have to fulfill your master first, and then in the second year you have to apply. In case the master degree is of 2 years, if it's 1 year, then you can still apply for a second master degree under this scholarship. So now let's jump to this video and let me share with you 9 different reasons that why you should apply for Erasmus Mundus scholarship. So definitely the first point is that it offers good money. When I say good money, it's definitely good money as compared to many other scholarship. So usually the minimum amount that you get under this scholarship is 49,000 euros for the duration of 2 years. And some programs has more than 52,000 euros as well, which actually follows the advanced version of Erasmus Mundus, but that's totally fine. So the minimum is 49,000. And in 49,000, your 18,000 goes toward your educational expenses, just like university fees and the program fees. And the rest of 31,000 goes towards your pocket for your living expenses for the duration of 2 years, and which is more than 1,000 euros per month for the rest of 2 years. So this program and this scholarship offers a very good amount of money that not only covers your living expenses, but you can still save some chunks of it depending upon your living style and can send it back to your home country as well. So the first thing is good money. And the second good thing about this scholarship is that it provides a scholarship and the programs are based on 2 years of time frame as compared to many European programs or many of the British programs that are actually based on 1 year, and many of the scholarship that are actually providing the master program for 1 year, just like Chevening, Commonwealth. So this scholarship supports you financially, and the programs are also based on 2 years, including many of the programs that has internship period. So it's totally fine, and it's gives you enough time, plenty of time to get adjusted in the European culture and to get these country no more so that you can settle here. So this is very important that you can get this scholarship for 2 years, and the programs are for 2 years as well. And the next good element about this scholarship is that it does not have any requirement for you to come back to your home country after completing your Erasmus Mundus scholarship. So you will know about many other scholarships like Commonwealth and Fulbright. They put this condition and ask for guarantees in your home country that you will be coming back after completing your education. So this is not the case with Erasmus Mundus scholarship. Erasmus Mundus does not ask you to come back and go back to your home country after completing your education. So this is very crucial for those who wants to stay outside and who want to explore the opportunities outside of their home country. And the next good element is definitely when you can explore and you can stay outside of Europe, you can definitely apply for the citizenship that many of the Asian people or many of the developing countries students actually get inspired to, or have this idea in their mind that they want to go to European countries and get a citizenship. So this is a very ideal way to go for that step, because it supports you for 2 years, and then you can stay here for as long as you want and work here, and then apply for the citizenship in the long term. So this is very crucial for those who has the aim for getting citizenship in European countries as well. And the fifth element for this scholarship, which I personally really like, is that it has a mobility program. So that means that you have to do your master's in at least 2 countries. So you have to spend a semester or 2 outside of your home country. So for example, I arrived in Italy, I had my first semester in Italy, and then I moved to France and I spent my 3 semester in France. Sometimes it's predetermined by the program and you cannot have a choice, and in many cases you have choice as well. So this is important for those that they want to explore opportunities in one country, but if they don't get it, they can go for the another country in which they have spent time. So this is very beneficial and gives you a lot of exposures of a lot of type of people, a lot of system and preferences you can get an idea of, and then you can actually get adjusted to the workplaces and the country you like, you can settle there. So this is very helpful and very beneficial and important and unique aspect of this scholarship that other scholarship never have. Another important element of this scholarship is that it offers a lot of international exposure, because when you are in the program, you will see that all your colleagues and the students are from the diverse backgrounds and are from countries that you might not even heard names of. And when you are studying with them and when you are being friends with them, you learn a lot about their countries. You have a lot of exposures to the dynamics of how things are working in other countries other than your country and in the home country in which you are studying. So it has a lot of international exposure that actually add a lot to your intellectual levels, and you learn a lot about different cultures and different dynamics. So this is very crucial as well for those people who like to collaborate, who like to explore, who likes to learn more about different cultures, about different countries. So yeah, it will really help you with that. Another important element of this scholarship is that it has many of the programs, specifically those programs which are based on scientific fields, just as computing, just as natural sciences. They also get paid internship during part of this program, which are mandatory to do. And these internships are extra paid. So that means you will receive extra amount apart from your scholarship that you are already receiving. And many people then make a lot of money, because definitely it's an extra money that you are getting. So this scholarship and many of the programs under this scholarship have this requirement of paid internship, and many of them are provided by the universities and the program itself. So you don't have to wonder how you secure it and things like that. So it all works out, and it also give you a benefit, and in terms of experience definitely, and then also in terms of extra monetary benefit that you will receive at the end of the day. Another important element of this scholarship is, which I'm sure no other countries, no other scholarship will ever provide you, is that it makes you eligible to go across and travel across 28 different European countries. And you can go to any country you want without the requirement of having a visa, because on Schengen visa you can able to travel across 28 countries, and traveling is very easy here because everything is connected by trains, by flights, and these are super cheap as well. So you will be able to travel across all the countries, and you can experience all kind of cultures, you can see all types of landscapes, and you can have as much as enjoyment as you want. You can go around in Christmas times and explore as much as you really interested into countries you really wanted to be in ever from since your childhood. So this is very important for those who like going out, who like to travel, who like to explore different countries. And last but not the least, this is for those who actually wants to pursue higher education after this master, want to go for a PhD, because this scholarship, most of the programs are actually research based, and you have to do master thesis along with sometimes internship and sometimes without internship, which actually help you to learn more about the research side, and you can definitely apply afterwards. And many of the universities that you are part of it actually has a lot of programs, and they accepts you directly for your PhD program. And this is very helpful for those and very encouraging for those who wants to do PhD. So this scholarship gives you the edge and gives you the platform from where you can apply to all other PhD programs that you might be interested in all across, not only in Europe, but in America and in British as well. So these are the whys that I wanted to share with you today. And I hope you are feeling encouraged and you will be now applying for this scholarship. And let me tell you that every year, more than 2,000 people are actually selected, more than 2,000, it's actually more than 2,500 people across the globe that are selected every year under these different programs, under this Erasmus Mundus scholarship. So it's a very privileged scholarship, and it's competitive definitely, but it's very rewarding. So definitely apply rather than procrastinating. I have already uploaded a lot of content on how you can effectively apply for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship. And if you are interested, you can just go and check my channel, and there will be a lot of videos on that. Subscribe to the channel and start watching those videos, and start from now, because the more prior you start and spend time on the application, the more time will you have to prepare it well, and then the more chances you will have to get selected. So definitely apply for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship. The intake will start very soon, in a month or two. And subscribe the channel. I will be posting a lot of content that will be helpful for you. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a good day. Bye.